First time in Vietnam. Travel time from Manila to Hanoi, 4 hours. It was month of October and the weather was pretty much like in Manila, 32 degrees Celsius. We arrived around 8 a.m. We had a light snack while withdrawing money from the ATM. And then we took a grab going to Ha Long City. Hanoi to Ha Long is around 128 kilometers. It was a 3-hour drive, but there was no traffic and we enjoyed the scenery. This is the place where we stayed for 2 nights. Kumain muna kami sa baba while waiting for our check-in time. Come in, let's check it out. This is the master bedroom where there is a view of the lake outside. It's very beautiful. Now let us check the bathroom. They have 2 bathrooms. This is the one in the master bedroom. This is the living room where there's a view of the city and of course the lake. Wow. This is the kitchen. They have washing machine, microwave. Ayan, this is the kids' room. Meron ding view sa labas. That is the pool area but it's closed. And this is the kids' washroom. Ayan, provided din ng toiletries. We did some grocery shopping just downstairs in our accommodation. For dinner, kumain lang kami sa labas. This is a restaurant just across the street, as in kakain ka dun sa may kalsada. And we ordered some coffee and BAHN MI. And ang sarap ng coffee nila. I love their coffee. It's a coffee with egg. And it tastes like parang leche flan na may coffee flavor. And finally, we brought our kids some dinner. That concludes our first day in Vietnam. And see you next time!